So where are we and why are we here?
I don't know where we are.
I don't either.
we are here to help Jordan and Jeff replace their refrigerator.
There's Jordan. There's Millie. There's the Jeep, and there's today's patient
Project.
Yes.
Project.
Their fridge has kind of given up the ghost, so we're gonna take their refrigerator out of that window and put a new one in.
Yeah, because they don't fit through the doors.
No,
on the
definitely
RV.
not.
It probably was placed in before they put the slide in when they made it.
For sure. But on a positive note, that window is big enough.
Yes.
Because if you don't have a window big enough, it's the windshield. And that's a much larger project.
And that's a spendy project.
That's not one that we can do.
No.
Yeah. So we're here in Nashville to
We
help
are.
them out.
We're here in Nashville. We came here just to do this.
Yep.
And to have some hot chicken. So.
Twice already.
Yes. We've only been here for 3 days. You must have undid the water line inside.
Hopefully that's what that is. So we're gonna head inside here and check out the mess.
If you are interested in a tour of this rig, we did one earlier this summer.
Yeah.
Put a link to it somewhere.
It's a very nice floor plan. It's actually one that we considered getting as our replacement rig, but more on that later.
Yeah.
All right, we're coming in and we're filming. Millie again. All right, so fridge is out. That was actually pretty easy. It was just 2 screws up on top.
3 screws.
3 screws. Okay. Did you do something with the water?
We turned it.
Did.
Yeah, she turned on the water pump unknowingly.
Oh yeah, the water started pouring out the bottom.
Where have you seen that before?
All right, so we're emptying the fridge out. Well, Jordan is emptying the fridge out. Jeff and I disassembled his desk and moved it. And now Jeff is getting this cabinet off the wall. Once that's out of the way, I guess we'll take the blinds down. And then we have an RV tech coming to help out with this, and your AC unit is on the fritz as well.
Yeah, it's kind of a combo call.
But we're going to take this window out, which is actually quite easy to do. And then this fridge, with the doors off, should fit through that hole. And we did rent a big truck from Home Depot over there, a big tall like flatbed truck, and that should make it quite easy. So we'll see.
We gotta take the doors off. So doors are coming out. Just like when you're doing drawers and stuff.
Yep.
It's easier to take all the things out, and we're just piling them in the grass.
Oh, that's sticky.
See, Millie's supervising.
And they also put this kind of aluminum L bracket up here.
Oh, are we gonna need to move that?
Well, this is like liquid nails on here.
Yeah, it was.
It's not coming off.
It was screwed into a board.
And then it screws into this thing way back here, so it locks it into place. So we'll just have to buy a new one for ours and repeat the same thing.
There's no way this would come off without us destroying it.
Yeah, it would.
There you go. Everything's out and whatnot.
Yep.
What a mess. It's coming loose?
It's not.
Oh.
So you know how things never go according to plan. The cabinet above the window is not coming out. There are either screws somewhere that we cannot find, or there is adhesive somewhere that we also cannot find. So the plan now is to go ahead and remove the window, and we've done measurements, and it's like a hair that the fridge should fit through the window with those cabinets still in place. It's definitely going to make it a tighter fit and a lot more of maneuvering, but it should still fit by the measurements. So it's always something, right? And this one looks almost exactly like the other one.
Yeah.
Just no door stuff. So the plan, we got this rental truck from Home Depot, nice big flatbed, and we've got the fridge here and Jordan's dad's warehouse here. And we're gonna take the doors off of that, slide it onto there, and then park that over there. And then hopefully this should get us high enough to easily get in and out of that window. We have to get over there to hold the window. Yeah. Alrighty. So we're backing the truck up to the, oh, that's loud. Up to the window so we can hold the window from the outside. There's a window. Once he takes that last screw off.
Yeah.
You ready? beautiful.
Thank you.
No, this one's not big.
No, their walls are no joke.
Nice. So we got real thick fiberglass,
And this aluminum frame,
aluminum frame,
and then real thick.
nice. Got it out.
Okay.
That was the tightest fit.
That was
There was no margin there.
our margins. Our measurements were accurate.
Hopefully the new fridge is exactly the same or smaller. This is the last time I was ever seen on video. Alive.
Oh my goodness.
Not unsolved mysteries.
This is the new fridge.
Yes.
It's exactly the same size as the old one.
It looks the same on the
So we just have to
underneath.
do
just
everything in
like-
reverse, right?
There you go.
It's as simple as that.
Whoa.
We don't
Can
want
you
to
cover the couch?
Yeah, we don't want to hit the fiberglass on the outside. If we do damage to this, it's not a huge deal.
Because it gets covered.
Because this is going to get covered by the inside frame and it's behind the desk.
What's the tape for?
Just in
A
case we
fail-safe.
impact the
But what will it do? What does it
It's just
fail
going to be
safe?
one line of defense. If it breaks, it'll kind of keep it together. If it just nicks it, it'll help it from scratching. I mean, it's not a lot, but
Okay.
we don't have the margin to do anything significant.
yeah, the pad, even the,
Like a furniture pad
even the, having the furniture pad was
was too much.
Yeah. Yay! It's inside! Woo!
Congratulations.
Oh man, we got it in with minimal damage.
I mean, you
There
can
was-
you can see minimal damage.
Yeah, let's look at the minimal damage.
Oh, good gravy.
So
This
the
is
wall,
mostly just flesh wounds.
yeah.
It looks bad. It will be fine once the frame goes on. It's just
Yeah.
a little bit of foam.
This cabinet,
There's some-
man. We could do pull-ups on this cabinet.
We took out every
Did
screw,
you pull up from
every screw you could possibly find, every bolt.
Yeah, there are
and
no
it's
screws.
still stronger than some travel trailers I've seen put together. So it's amazing.
What do you think the tow capacity of this cabinet is?
About F-250's worth.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
All right, so I think it'll be minimal. Once that frame goes back on, most of this will be covered.
I'm not worried.
Put the doors down, make sure those slides are
Okay.
to lock them up,
Okay.
and walk out.
Okay.
It's in.
Let's talk about today's sponsor, SnapPads. They are a fantastic tool that lets you permanently attach a big, chunky, heavy-duty rubber pad to the bottom of leveling legs. They give you more surface area that keeps you from sinking, it gives you a little bit more grip, keeps you from sliding, and you don't have to carry around more blocks and all sorts of stuff. And also, fifth wheels, the legs tend to be out a little bit so you can access them, but with motorhomes, they've tucked those suckers way under there, so if you have blocks that you're putting under there, you're basically crawling on the ground every time you want to put the blocks in or pull them back out. If you go to their website at the URL below and enter in this promo code 52GO10, it's the number 2 and the number 10, you'll get 10% off. And if you're like us and you have the absolute largest feet that they support and you get the absolute most expensive set, that 10% is going to be nice. So go to their website, do 52GO10 to get 10% off, and you too can have awesome SnapPads that we love, and you'll love them too. Well, that was fun.
That's a word. I don't know if you would describe this situation with that word.
Jeff
You
did
know,
ask
it's
if
so
it was like
frustrating.
labor. No.
If we could have gotten the darn cabinets out, it would have gone exactly to plan.
Yep.
Yes.
yeah.
That was the only thing that didn't work, was we could not figure out how to detach the cabinets because Newmar builds it too well.
Yep.
Golly!
Yeah, so that fridge sat on its back for a good hour.
Yeah, so it's
So-
gonna not be hooked up for.
Probably till
The
The
morning.
good thing is I can get everything put back together and
Yeah.
then plug it in because the plug is actually outside the whole box. So I can get
Perfect.
I didn't
everything
know
everything
that.
plugged back in, and then tomorrow we can plug it in and then go from there. So
That'll be
we'll be
good.
good to go.
So all those parts.
These are new fridge parts.
This is how much can come out of a fridge, including doors.
So right in here, so we had taken the carpet out because there's this hollow space for the lights,
Yeah, and there were screws.
and there were screws in there that went in here and here, and it still didn't come loose.
That's crazy.
Yeah, Max is still able to hang on.
Some kind of Newmar master technician, please tell me what we're not seeing to take this section out.
I'm almost afraid that it's glued.
We've taken everything out up here, everything out back there, these out here. Still Max was doing pull-ups off of it.
Oh gosh.
Oh, sprinklers just came on. Wow.
Help! Don't hold the camera! Oh gosh!
Wow. Gosh. That's a lot of water.
It's like Splash Mountain.
Is it refreshing?
No, it's cold. It's cold.
We're done-ish.
Things happen.
The window's back on.
Windows back on.
The new fridge is in.
That's what's important.
And now we're starving. The RV tech is gone. He was a big help. Scott is gone. He was also a big help. Scott is Jordan's dad.
Yep.
Awesome.
Awesome help.
And Max was the RV tech. If you're in the Nashville area, I'm sure Jeff knows how to contact him. And yeah, so we're gonna go eat now. Are you excited to have a new fridge?
So excited.
So what was wrong with the old one since we went through all of this?
It had stopped cooling the
Oh.
fridge below like 50 degrees,
Oh, the
which
main
is
task of a fridge.
not
Yeah.
food safe. And the ice maker stopped, and the freezer tends to freeze over sometimes, and it was rusted.
So
Yeah.
a laundry list of bad fridge things.
Yep, and you can't find a residential tech to work in an RV, and you can't find an RV tech that works on residential appliances, at least easily. So,
Well,
yeah.
at least you had a window that it technically fit through.
Tit through.
I mean, it actually fit through it.
It did.
I mean, it's actually in here,
It's
not
in here.
technically in here. It is
There's
actually in here.
A little bit of dents and dings and stuff on the stuff, but you like in here. Let's look at it real quick.
You can't
Obviously,
tell.
you can't see the damage to the backside of the.
There's a little bit
cabinet,
here,
and there's like a couple little chips.
but that's it.
Yeah. It would have been so much easier if that cabinet wasn't built to withstand artillery fire.
Yeah, this
but,
apparently
yeah.
is built for the Armageddon. This is like a lead-lined fridge, apparently.
Yeah, that's where we store all of our tuna when the when food starts going away.
Yeah, this is my tuna cabinet right here. I'll tell you what. My vittles go in here, you know.
Oh Lord!
Ready.
All right,
It's time to go because
take us
the
out.
air conditioning's coming on.
Oh, the loud AC. That's the next project. I'm not helping with that one.
No, neither am I.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.